Then she gonna start recording out of nowhere.
That's not fair.
I should always do that shit, bro.
So what about them hot dogs, Chino?
What's up, man? This is Chino, Nikki, and motherfucking Danielle,
Yeah.
Winchell.
Yeah.
Pickles Finals. Pickles Finals. In the building. Vegas Finals in the building. Inglewood's Finals in the building.
See how close we sitting together? Leg, 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 and then feet. You know what I'm saying? And we all on Facebook. Facebook.
Buck face.
Facebook. Yeah. Yeah.
Jumping triangle. Ask about it. See on Facebook over there?
What?
The laptop over there is on Facebook.
I don't know. The screen's black, so I don't know.
That's not on book face.
So what about this? You wanna beat us up,
I
Tino?
don't know nothing about
I mean, so we jump you right now?
I don't know nothing about that.
Should I knock you out of my cast, sucker?
I'll plead the fifth.
Smack him, Nikki. Just smack him. Just smack him.
What I cast that?
Why don't you get your ass up and cook us some?
Alright.
Bitch. Bitch. Get your ass up.
I ain't gonna bitch me more than bitch. I'm telling you that now.
We want some hot dogs. Oh, wait. Chino wants them hot dogs.
Chris, come get her.
Let's call up some male strippers, you know what I'm saying? They can wang that shit up in your face.
Get all the hot dogs you need.
Whenever they get here, I will not be here. That'll be my cue.
Where you gonna go? You gonna walk?
I'm gonna go somewhere.
Wait, and now I'll put on Facebook that she would be a part of the twerk team if somebody's dancing.
Hey, Chino, can you get up and shake it for us?
No.
I think Nikki wants a lap dance, you know what I'm saying? So why don't you put on your sure thing video and give us the lap dance? Hey, play your song and sing it. The one on YouTube.
What's up?
Your sure thing. I want to hear you sing it.
Okay, so.
Just sing it. You were just singing. Just do it, sucker. You were just doing it a little bit ago. Just do it. Come on, Chino. Come on. Oh, you look bored over there.
Who?
You still on Facebook? Why don't we all say hi to Mal? Say hi, Mal.
Hi, Mel.
Chino on Facebook being a hoe.
I just told him out for something.
She about to leave the room again.
Come on, are you gonna play your song or not? Because if not, I'm about to turn this shit off.
Turn it off. I ain't seen
And
it.
Chino gets his little stash going on. See that cup over there on the wall? Yeah. He starts his little Chino nest.
Turn it up. You can bet that.
Look at his hair. Look at this. Talk about napping. Here, put your head back. Put your head down.
Why y'all sounding there screaming like that?
Because he's playing his game. Put your head down so I can get the napping part.
man,
Come on.
man,
I just want
man,
you right there.
man,
Yeah,
man,
see, that's a big old rat. I don't know how I'm going to brush that shit out. For real?
Fuck you.
You expect me to braid this shit?
Because you
For
got that
real?
white girl hair.
For real?
I'm a nigga.
My kid over there being crazy.
Look at Rain.
Rain in his underwear. I see your
things,
underwear.
I'll see the grounds come.
Yeah.
Look at that Nicky in this
Look at
motherfucker.
them do this.
Look at them, boobies. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Squeeze it, Nikki. Squeeze it. Squeeze it. Come on.
Oh, move.
Come on, squeeze it. Let's get this on camera. See, look.
Nah, move.
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah.
Oh, man.
Here, let me feel a nipple. His hair.
Looking hard.
Stop.
I'm gonna attack your friend.
I mean, squeeze. Oh, he's gonna attack you. Here, let me squeeze that nipple, man.
Right,
So I can record it.